All right, travelers, so we have changed hotels because we want to show you guys the difference between an expensive hotel and a budget hotel. So now we're at the budget hotel. We're getting checked in right now, and we're going to show you what the room is like. We'll walk you around the property, and it is going to be just as nice, guys. We're right in the Marina. We'll show you the area. You're going to love it. So stay with us as we check into Tesoro Cabo San Lucas, guys, right in the heart of the Marina. So you can see concierge over there. That's where you walk in, and then you see they got a lobby bar right across the way. It's nice and spacious, and you got a pharmacy connected, a little restaurant right outside, and you see as you exit, there's the Marina right there. So it's a perfect location, and lots of conveniences here. Wow, this is a beautiful room. Way bigger than the room we just came from. And I think we have a killer view too. You guys, take a look at this. This place, I'm gonna give you a proper room tour and show you everything, but look at it. We got a couch, full king size bed, and then check out the view. I don't even know what the view is. You guys are gonna find out with me. Oh, this is outstanding. Look at this. Okay, once we figure out how to get out, we'll show you guys. There we go.
What'd you do?
I just pushed and pushed down. All right, let's go take a look, you guys. Look at this. Got the lighthouse, a pool. There's the Marina, right? Now let's go do a room tour. All right, so check this out, you guys. We got a king bed. Look at this nice, beautiful king bed. We're gonna do a bed test at the end of this. You guys know we do that in every room. And then here you see the living room. Beautiful couch, table, another table to relax in, nice TV. Oh yeah, refrigerator with some storage. Let's get you in so you can see the bathroom. How do we turn these lights on here? All right, so look at this. How you doing, travelers? A nice bathroom. It's all you need when you're here in Cabo. Let's go in here. Big spacious bathroom here, another mirror. What's up, travelers? Big shower, look at this. That is cool. All right, you guys ready for the bed test? I'm gonna bring you with me. Here we go. Oh, yes. This is a comfortable bed. Firm, but soft, but not so soft that you like sink in and disappear. It's just soft on the top, but nice and firm. Plenty of pillows, as you guys can see. It's gonna be a good night's sleep. And with that said, we're gonna unpack, and then we're gonna walk you around the property and see what else we find tonight on our last day in Cabo. All right, you guys, so our hotel, Tesoro Los Cabos, has 2 entrances, and this is the second main lobby. And you can see, if you want to go to the Marina, you go straight out through there and keep walking, get to the Marina. And then look, we come out here, and there's a sports bar. And let's see what's over here. So this is what the hotel, man, this place is a giant property. So you see these ATMs, guys? These are the ATMs that you want to avoid. Anything that's not part of a bank and is freestanding, you want to avoid them. And people just say, you can get your card skimmed, you could get money taken out of your account, extra money, or you could put in and it shows that you got to withdraw and you didn't get the money. And I'm not saying this ATM, I'm just saying any unmarked, unassociated with a bank ATM here in Cabo, they'd highly recommend that you don't use them. So travelers, there you see, that's the hotel. And as soon as you just cross the street over here, look at this. You have all of these little shops and these cool little streets here that offer jewelry, souvenirs, massages, pharmacy, bars, restaurants. This really is a very, very centrally located hotel. And we're gonna get out and we're gonna explore. Guys, it's our last night. We're gonna walk around. You guys are coming with us. Let's see what we find here. But this kind of has Puerto Vallarta vibes right here. Travelers, here is a pro tip. And it's a pro tip that you can take either way. When you come to Cabo and you want a massage, make sure you ask what the price is and what the massage includes. And I just spoke to a woman at a massage place. If they're dressed in all black, which you'll see, a lot of them dressed in all black, they tell you straight up, this is a happy ending massage. If you go to places where they're wearing like white, like scrubs, you know, nurses outfits, you're gonna get a legit massage. So just beware. If you're here with your family or your wife and you go into a massage place, don't go to the ones that are in all black because it's not very family friendly. However, if that's what you're looking for, go to the places in all black. They're open till 10 p.m. Enjoy your massage, travelers. All right, travelers, so we are hungry and we're gonna get something to eat at this famous taco place here called Tacos Gus. And let me show you what it looks like out here. Go see. Gracias. Here's the menu. They've got a ton of things here, you guys. Look at the menu, so big they even skipped the page. Gracias. All right, so there you see, guys. I got a burrito, 2 tacos, carne asada burrito, 2 al pastor tacos. Vanessa got herself 2 carne asada tacos and 2 al pastor tacos. So, should be delicious, but check this out. They give you a ton of salsas. Here's our drink. Look at that tall Jamaica. Now look at this. They give you all of these salsas here. And yeah, guac at the end. You got chips. And then they bring you, which I love, is they cover this. And these are all the sides to put on your tacos. You got cebolla, cilantro, onions and cilantro, salsa, cucumber, lime, radish. It looks like some jalapeno carrots over there with onions. It's gonna be really good. I'm excited, baby. Are you? Yeah. All right. Oh yeah. Let's try the Jamaica. Mm-hmm. We always try each other's stuff. Very good. All right, travelers. When our food gets here, we're gonna show you guys how delicious it looks, and we're gonna tell you how delicious it tastes. So stay with us. All right, our tacos are here. Muchas gracias. Esa aquí. Gracias. All right, so we got a whole bunch of salsas and a whole bunch of fixings to put on. Let's take a look at what we got here. Cilantro and onions. Gonna pour that. Look at that. Take some salsa. Pico de gallo. Well, I'm just gonna take a chance. I don't know how spicy this is, but we are going to see. I got the green sauce. I'm not sure how spicy it is. ¿Cuál es picante? Okay, los dos rojo. Okay, so I didn't even get a spicy one. So now I'm gonna dig into the habanero. Put a little bit of habanero on here. Some nice fresh guac here. Now we got fresh lime. Now let me show you what it looks like. How delicious does that taco look? Okay, Vanessa's gonna try hers.
Pretty good. That salsa is a little spicier than pork.
Really? But how's the flavor, the taste?
It's good. Yeah. You know, we're spoiled because the place that we go to in Puerto Vallarta is the bomb. But these are good. Really good.
Yeah. So let's see what we got here. Al pastor taco, number 1, with all the fixings. Let's give this bad boy a try. Good al pastor flavor. Missing a little pineapple, but that's okay. Yeah, it's just you're missing that contrast. But the salsas, all the toppings, really, they complete it. It makes the taco. I'm gonna finish these and we'll get into that burrito. I'll let you know how that burrito tastes, guys. All right, Vanessa's trying her asada taco. Let's see what she thinks.
It's really flavorful. The meat's nice and cooked. But man, this salsa spread is really well.
I showed you guys the burrito. I gotta just put some fixings on it. I'm just gonna put some habanero sauce right on top. A little bit of habanero, some guac, a little bit of lime. Here we go. That asada, amazing flavor. And like Vanessa said, all of these salsas really do complete it. Because you could add anything you want. You can make it spicy. You could give it a nice salsa flavor. You could not put any salsa, have just the meat flavor, whatever you want. It's absolutely delicious. Highly recommend Tacos Gus. We're glad we came. We almost didn't make it, but we made it. As you can see, it's totally full in here. So if you're in Cabo, after your massage, come over to Tacos Gus. We'll see you soon. All right, guys, so we are done at Tacos Gus right back there. And I tell you, the food was excellent, right? Little bit of advice though, bring cash. You can pay with card, but it's a little bit of a
Frowned upon.
yeah, it's frowned upon because they don't want to pay the commission fee. So when we went to sit down, we didn't have enough cash, and we said, "Hey, do you guys accept card?" They said, "Yeah, no problem." So we sat down, ate our meal, and then when we went to pay, the guy said, "No, cash only." So I told him, "Well, I'm sorry, but when we got here, the lady told us we could use card." And all of a sudden, a card machine appeared. So just, they prefer cash. If card is an issue, let them know ahead of time, and they'll let you pay with card. Highly recommend Tacos Gus. We're gonna keep walking, and we'll see you guys soon. All right, travelers, so take a look at this. This here, Mexico 1, the origin of California's. So right here, back in the day, they say that the water from the ocean came up to here, and this is where Mexico began, is right at this point, all through downtown Cabo. All right, travelers, let's talk price. So, ME Cabo, amazing property. The staff, top notch.
Shout out to Clarissa.
Clarissa, you guys go to the lobby bar, ask for Clarissa. She makes amazing drinks. Have a conversation. She's great to talk to. Just a lot of fun. Staff at the check-in desk were amazing everywhere. And the people who gave us our luggage, there was not one bad thing that happened at ME Cabo. But ME Cabo, if you look to book it tonight on booking.com, $1,200 a night. $1,200. You guys saw the room. The property was amazing. The pool party doesn't get any better.
If you like to party and you want to spend some money, you like to be at the bar, pool, and just hearing music throughout the night, ME Cabo is for you.
But be prepared, because you can't bring in outside alcohol. You can't go to the store and buy your bottle of tequila. You can't buy cervezas and bring them back. None of that. $22 for one shot of tequila at ME Cabo.
Water's $10.
Water, $10, 170 pesos. And the mini bar that you guys saw there, those tequila bottles were $600 for one bottle of Cuervo. It wasn't anything special. $600, you guys. That brings us to here, the Tesoro Hotel. This place, you guys, everything that I just showed you, beautiful property, it's huge, and we're literally in the marina. We're paying $120 a night. For one night in ME Cabo, 10 nights, we could stay here for that price. So it's up to you. If you're on a budget and you still want to be in a baller place and have a great time, Tesoro Hotel. We've been here literally, guys, we just checked in and we already said, like, we really like this place. It's clean. It's not like snooty. It's not like, it's just a whole bunch of people that are here on vacation that are enjoying themselves, and they're saving money. They're saving a lot of money compared to what we were paying up there. And you're in the marina, like you're in
literally.
It's unbelievable. So I think next time we're in Cabo, we're probably gonna stay here.
Yeah.
So there you have your comparison of budget hotel versus luxury. And
we just love Cabo.
yeah, we love Cabo, and we love that we found a place right here for 120 bucks a night. So we'll see you guys. Thank you for watching, and let us know, which hotel would you choose, ME Cabo or Tesoro? They're both amazing. Can't say one bad thing about it. See you guys on the next one. All right.